Good day everyone, welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. I have this watch with me right now, the popular GA-2100, or some people call it Casio. It's a very great watch with a lot of features that sometimes get overwhelming, and also uses a very cool material, the carbon core guard. And yeah, it looks very cool. You can check the review in my channel. I will put the link in the description. Okay, so many comments about the problem related to the setting of this watch. So sometimes, yes, the watch is cool, but it's very difficult to set. And here in this video, let me summarize 6 of the most common problem with the setting of this watch, GA-2100, and how to solve them. First, the most common issue is the analog hands not synchronized with the digital time. So let's say the digital time is showing 2 o'clock, while the hands is 4 o'clock. We will need to do the hands alignment, and here's the problem. Sometimes people use the hands alignment menu and then use that menu to move the hands to point the current time, and that's a no. The right way to do the hands alignment is setting the hands to point out at 12 o'clock position. And to do that, let me show you. So from the timekeeping mode, press and hold the adjust button on the top left for at least about 5 seconds until you hear a double beep. And along the way, you might see the set word and also the age set word on the digital display. Just keep pressing until you see the word SUB or sub flashing on the digital display. Next, press the mode button on the bottom left so that it shows 000 on the digital display. And then use the light and start buttons on the right side to move the hands so that they point to 12 o'clock position. After that, press the adjust button and done. Moving on to the next problem, and that is the sub dial is not pointing out to the correct day of the week. And that might happen because of 2 things. So first, you will need to check the hand alignment of the sub dial. And to do that, again, from the timekeeping mode, press and hold the adjust button about 5 seconds at least until you hear it gives a double beep sound and shows the word SUB or sub flashing on the digital display. And now you can align the sub dial. Use the light and start buttons on the right side of the watch to move the hand to Sunday as the 0 position for the sub dial. And after that, press the adjust button, done. Okay, now the thing that you will need to check is the year. Sometimes this also happens, so you will need from the timekeeping mode, press and hold the adjust button, but this time it's about 2 seconds. And then you will hear the beeping sound, a single beep, okay? And then release the adjust button. Now you're in the watch setting menu for the digital time. Press the mode button 6 times until you see the year flashing on the digital display. And then make sure it's correct. Use the start button to increase and use the light button to decrease. After that, after you have the year number correct, press the adjust button, done. Moving on to the next problem, and that is the watch has worked perfectly well, but suddenly the digital time is showing the wrong number or wrong time. And then if you press the adjust button and you want to set the time, it cannot work like the usual adjustment. Okay, what happens? So in this case, maybe you are in the world time mode, and that happens a lot because sometimes you get the mode button pressed accidentally. To solve this problem, easy, just press and hold the mode button until it returns to the timekeeping mode. Problem number 4 is that sometimes the watch is showing the wrong AM or PM. In this case, if you set the watch using the 12-hour format. So you are at 9 AM but the watch is showing 9 PM or vice versa. And how to solve that? Easy. You need to adjust the hour and add by 12 hours. Problem number 5 is the world time. Sometimes it is showing the wrong time. And first you need to check if the daylight saving is active. And to do that, from the world time of the city, press and hold the adjust button to activate or to deactivate the daylight saving. Okay, and then the next problem is that all the time in the world time, all the cities are showing the wrong time. What happens with that? So for this one, you will need to check the timekeeping setting. Is the city correct? Is the daylight saving is correct? For this one, from the timekeeping mode, press and hold the adjust button for about 2 seconds until it makes a single beep, and then release the adjust button. Now, the city name will be shown. You can select the city by using the start button to move to the east and light button to move to the west. Then press the mode button. Now press the start button to select if you want the daylight saving to be on or off. And after that, if you set correctly, press the mode button to continue checking on the setting of the second, minute, and hour. And lastly, after that finished, you can press the adjust button and you're done. Now check the world time, and I hope it will solve your problem. And then the last one, problem number 6, is that what if the city that I live in is not available in the menu? How to set that one? Simple. So the solution is that use the city with the same time zone or simply the same UTC or GMT offset. For example, the city that I am living right now is not available on the list, but a quick lookup on Google shows that my city is GMT +7. So based on this list from Casio, I can use BKK or Bangkok that has the same time zone offset. And yeah, that's it. And that's all for this quick and simple troubleshooting video. I hope this will help you to solve your problem with the settings of your Casio G-Shock GA-2100. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.